Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno7 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you will want to open up your contacts application. From here, tap on the three bars, navigate to settings, and right at the bottom you will see import option. From here you want to select SIM card, and this will display all the contacts that are on your SIM card. By default they should all be selected, assuming you don't have any of those contacts already on your device. If they are on your phone, they will be deselected and grayed out, so you won't be able to import them twice. Anyway, from here, select import. This will import all the selected contacts, and you can now find them in your contacts list. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.